Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Leaf in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped. Locate the shift lever, which is typically a joystick-like control. Press the button on the side of the shifter with your thumb. This action unlocks the lever, allowing you to move it freely. Keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal throughout this process for safety. This simple step is crucial before attempting to change gears. With the button pressed and your foot on the brake, gently move the shift lever to the N position. You will feel a slight click as it engages. Look at your dashboard display to confirm that the letter N is clearly visible, indicating the vehicle is now in neutral. Always maintain control of the brake pedal, especially if you are on an incline, to prevent any unintended movement. Neutral is useful for specific situations, such as moving the car a very short distance, like through an automatic car wash. However, it's not intended for long-distance towing or coasting, as this can affect vehicle systems. It is extremely important to never leave your Nissan Leaf unattended while it is in neutral, even for a moment, as it could roll unexpectedly. Always prioritize safety. For added safety, always engage the parking brake whenever you stop, even if only for a moment. This prevents accidental rolling. Remember that specific procedures can vary slightly between different Nissan Leaf models, so always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions for your particular vehicle. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, there's a fantastic resource I recommend. You can find a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's a simple path to wealth that many have found incredibly helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.